This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. We have a Frigidaire washing machine where the door will not open. So first thing that's important to do is set it to drain and start it and make sure that all the water is drained out. If there's any water left in it, the door won't open. So if you can get all the water out first and it still won't open, the next thing to do is pretty easy. We're just going to push in really hard on the right side of the door, and right after you push in hard, pull back and it should let go. Again, the machine won't open it unless you get all the water out first. So hopefully your drain is working. If it is and it still won't open after the drain cycle, all you need to do is just give it a little help by pushing in hard and then pull back. Good push with the right hand, pull with the left, and there we go. You may have to replace your door lock. It may be malfunctioning. Sometimes they just get stuck. So again, just push in with your right hand, pull back with your left. There you go. Hope that was helpful to you. Please subscribe when you get a chance.